Speaking Academy.
Today, let's have a speaking practice about weather and seasons.
What's the weather today?
It's sunny.
Let's go outside and play.
Yes, I will bring my ball.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like jumping in puddles.
Me too, but I wear boots.
And don't forget an umbrella.
It's so hot today.
Let's eat some ice cream.
Good idea, I want chocolate.
I'll get vanilla.
It's snowing outside.
Wow, let's build a snowman.
I'll get my gloves and hat.
Don't forget the carrot nose.
I love spring.
Me too, the flowers are so pretty.
And the butterflies are everywhere.
Let's throw them.
What season is it now?
It's autumn.
The leaves are falling.
Let's collect them.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I like drinking hot chocolate.
And wearing warm clothes.
I like snow the best.
It's very windy today.
My kite is flying high.
Hold it tight.
The wind is strong.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer.
Why?
Because there's no school.
Let's have a picnic.
But it's cloudy.
It might rain.
Let's wait a little.
The sun is so bright today.
I need my sunglasses.
And some sunscreen.
Let's go to the beach.
I hear thunder.
Oh no! Is it going to storm?
Let's go inside.
I'm a little scared.
Look, a rainbow.
It's so colorful.
After the rain, there's always something nice.
Rainbows makes me smile.
It's cold today.
I'm wearing 2 jackets.
And scarf too.
Let's drink something warm.
Spring is here.
Let's plant some flowers.
I love tulips.
I'll plant some flowers.
It's raining cats and dogs.
That means heavy rain, right?
Yes, let's stay inside.
And read a book.
The weather is nice today.
Perfect for a bike ride.
I'll get my helmet.
Let's go.
I like autumn.
The trees are orange and red.
Let's take pictures.
Good idea.
It's freezing.
My hands are cold.
Let's wear mittens.
And drink soup.
What do you like about summer?
I like swimming.
Me too.
And I eat watermelon every day.
The clouds look like animals.
That one looks like a dog.
I see a bunny too.
Clouds are fun to watch.
Can we go to the park? Not now, it's raining. Maybe later. Yes, when it stops. I love watching the snow fall. It's so quiet and white. Let's make snow angels. Yay! Why is it so foggy? I can't see far. It looks like a cloud on the ground. It's cool and spooky. What should we wear today? Let's check the weather. It says sunny. Then I'll wear my hat and shorts.
Thanks for listening.